A very good afternoon, all my dear students. Today we are going to learn a very important topic that is related with solution. So solution is formed by two things. The first one is solute and the another one is solvent. So I am going to show you by demonstration. I have taken a beaker in which you can see I have poured the water, and I will just take a spoonful of salt and just stir it. As I stir it, you can see children over here the particle get dissolved. So this is a true solution. So a true solution is a solution in which the particle completely dissolve. If you will observe the size of the particles in a true solution, so my dear children, the size is less than 1 nanometer. The second type of solution that we are going to prepare is about the suspension. For the suspension process, I have taken over here the sand. I will just take a spoonful of sand and just dissolve in the second beaker, as you can see over here. And we'll keep the beaker for some time. After keeping the beaker for settling, you can see children, these soil particles settle at the bottom. So you can easily clearly see the soil particle in the second beaker. So we will keep this beaker as it is. The third type of solution that we are going to prepare is a colloidal solution. For the colloidal solution, I have taken a starch powder over here, as you can see. So I will take a spoonful of starch and just dissolve in the water, and just I will stir it. But it doesn't dissolve, it form a milky liquid. As you can see here, this is a translucent substances. So my dear children, we have prepared 3 solutions over here. This is a true solution in which the particle get completely dissolved and the size of the particle is less than 1 nanometer. This is a suspension. As you can see clearly, the particles settle at the bottom, and the particle size is more than 100 nanometer. And the third type in which we have prepared the colloidal solution, it is a translucent solution. So hope so, my dear children, you might have understood all these 3 types of solution. Thank you so much.